The wait is over. Finally, Adobe released a text-based editing feature in Premiere Pro, which means that you can edit video like it's a text document. This allows Premiere to write out the words of what you're saying on screen and then cut paste on text instead of the video. But if this doesn't make sense to you, I will walk you through how to use it. Go up to your preferences. If you're on PC, it's under Edit. Go to the Preferences, scroll down to Transcription, select it, and from here you can click this checkbox to select Automatic Transcription. Now next time when you upload a video, Premiere will automatically run through the transcription process in the background. Mind-blowing. And now let's open a project and see what we can do with it. To access text-based editing, you can go up to Workspaces and scroll down to text-based editing. And this will take you to an entirely new section where you can see easily your text. And because I selected the automatic transcription, my video is already transcribed and we can start working on it. Now when I start highlighting the text, you can see that when we do that, a section of our project highlights the video on the timeline as well, by creating in and out sections. So if I hit backspace, this will ripple delete that part of the video. And here I want to mention that if you don't have enabled the in and out option, you won't be able to delete anything on both text and video. So make sure that you have this option enabled next time. Now that I've shown you how to delete parts of your video, there is other ways that you can work with text-based editing. Let's say that you've got a massive project to work on and there is a particular word that you want to get rid of. With the text-based editing, go up to the search bar and type that word. In my case, I will type export. Then you can navigate with these arrows up and down every time this word was said, and you can remove it by highlighting it and then deleting it. But you can delete other things too, like big gaps and pauses. So to do that, go down to these three little dots and toggle on display pauses. And now if you hover over these dots, it will show you how long is the pause. So highlight it and delete it to delete the empty space. And I can easily say that this is my new favorite thing in Premiere Pro, because when I record my video, there is plenty of episodes of silent gaps. Moving to the next one, here you can also rearrange sections by extracting parts of your text. By highlighting the part you want to extract, right click, selecting cut, then move to the section where you want to put the scene, right click and paste. And boom! So easy. This is a game changer that will save tons of time. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new from it. Also in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this new Premiere Pro feature. Do you love it or you hate it? Just share it with me. And if you don't mind, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Premiere Pro tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.